Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to find help on the Memrise application. But first of all, I just want to mention, please don't forget to subscribe to our channel, because at 100,000 subscribers we are going to show you our YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your device. So that's the home screen, and you can find different buttons. New, go to the profile icon at the upper right corner of the home screen. And you can find the lower side of the page, the help section under the privacy policy. Click that, and here you can find different questions. You can read about content, about the app, and how to use this app, and you can chat with the customer service section. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.